Hello, Matt G for IYT here. Today we're looking at the full license mock examination number 1, version 1.6. We've reached question 29, which reads, if the amplitude and phase of an incoming RF signal can be captured with reasonable accuracy, then A, it is not possible to demodulate digital data signals. B, it is possible to demodulate only frequency modulated signals. C, it is possible to demodulate any known form of modulation, or D, it is possible to demodulate only digital data signals. So we can see this is talking about the amplitude and phase of an incoming RF signal, and you may have seen from in the full manual, you may have seen this idea of an IQ signal, or I and Q signal. The I representing in phase, that's going to represent the amplitude of a signal, and the Q, which is an out of phase version of the original signal. And using those two, it is in fact possible to demodulate any known form of modulation, and this is actually covered in the software defined radio part of the full license manual, because it is a technique that is popularized in software-defined radios, where early software-defined radios would have an I and Q output, which they would actually output those at audio frequencies, and they could be captured within a PC sound card for further processing. Not something you see much of anymore, because we've now got much faster devices that can do all of that on board. But that's a place where that technique was popularized. And effectively, with this I and Q signal, you could reconstruct the whole incoming RF signal, and you can use that to demodulate any form of modulation, AM, FM, SSB, anything digital, pretty much anything, as long as this IQ signal is captured with, as it says here, reasonable accuracy. So you would need to be capturing it at a decent sampling rate for a start. Then you can demodulate any known form of modulation. Let's take a look at the answers, see if we got that one right. And for 29 is in fact answer C. Thank you very much. I'll catch you for the next one.